Everyone, this is Norazima Abdul Rahman, your #1 primary science specialist. So here I am today. I'll be sharing with you the concepts of application for us to practice for P3 living things and non-living things. Here is the question that I would like to share. So looking at this, study the pictures shown below carefully. For each picture, write the correct characteristic of the living thing in the spaces provided. So before we do the question, let us do a revision, the characteristics for living things. So let me write it down here. Characteristics of living. One, we do know that living things need air, food, and water to survive. Number 2, die. Number 3, grow. Number 4, respond to changes. Number 5, reproduce. And number 6, move by themselves. So looking at this question, the first one, you can see a squirrel is eating. So what do we need to include here? Characteristic of living things. We have all the options here. So living things need food to survive. So I do understand. If you have question, where should I put the air and water? Do I include air and water for here? No, we don't. Because here it is that we can see that the squirrel is eating. So we are referring only on food. This is how you get your half mark. And why do I say half mark? Because for each question is half mark. When you total it up, you get 2 marks. So next question, living things from young plant to adult plant with fruits. So we can see that from a young one to an adult plant, that means living things grow. Okay, so another half a mark scored. Next one, you can see that the plant is moving towards the window where there is presence of sunlight. Okay, and plants need sunlight to make food for photosynthesis to take place. So what can we say about living things? Living things respond to changes. Half a mark here. And last one, you see a grasshopper laying eggs. What do we do here? Based on this, when we talk about laying eggs, it's obvious. Living things reproduce. So why do we reproduce? To ensure continuity of its species. So that's the purpose of reproduction. Okay. So here is a summary of the full question. So I hope that this session has helped you, benefited, and for you to take note on how to answer the questions to guide your children also to score for their exams. Thank you for watching.